and this is the wedge.
So the task in hand today is to change this battery out. The van is a 2018 Ford Connect. I quite like this one. I like driving it, it feels like a car. So I believe that this airbox has to come off, be disconnected and go to one side, then we can take it out. Hopefully the bigger battery I've bought will fit. Has the cover for the air cleaner off. Just a matter of seeing how far I've got to go in order to get this thing off. So the airbox is kind of clipped in on that back mount and there as well, so you just have to give it a bit of a tug, and you've got to take the probably mass airflow sensor connector off. Then we've got a bit better access to this piece. I feel like this probably needs cutting off, these cable ties. So this whole thing at the front is some sort of fuse block, forms part of the casing for the battery. Now I've got the strap off the top, see if I can pull it out. So the guy in the store explained that there's two types of battery for this van. The new one is a bit bigger, and I had a quick peek in and decided that the casing was going to be the same for both models. You just got this little wedge here where you just take out, and I hope it will fit back in. Go ahead and get that done, hey? So it seems like nowadays it's a real cliff edge with batteries, that they'll just fail literally overnight. It went from reluctant to start because it was really, really cold. I'm convinced that if it was hot it would have started, to not even locking the doors, and that's a real problem when you've got an appointment you've got to get to. So I just pulled all my tools out of the car, of the van, put them in the house, did my appointment, got a battery, just got to remember to put everything back now. I noticed that hose there in the middle of the shot pulled off. I didn't pull it off, so it's probably some vacuum hose to actuate something, goodness knows what. I'm kind of missing the days with the old CVH engines where, like, you know, mid-80s Ford Escorts, where you had to lean over and lock the door and stuff like that. Get in your hole. Are you too good for your hole? Oh, there you go. I'd normally just pass this job off to someone else, to a garage, but we're quite a few vans down at the minute. Well, we're not quite a few vans down at the minute. All of the vans are with engineers. The custom's got some sort of camshaft problem, what I've got someone's going to look at when he's got time. I like this van, it's nice and basic, even though it has stupid problems with the locks. I mean, why would you create a vehicle where you can't manually lock the doors? I don't know. What you need is some old tech. I don't think I'll have any central locking problems with the International. Who's looking forward to a video about my International, hey? Scarlett did one. I thought she was really good with her little walk around, telling us about mouse turds and asking if you like it. Alright, let's get the rest of this buttoned up. Well, we know it's a Ford. That feels like that job's done. All done except for setting the time. All done.